OMNIFORM Press presents OMNIFORM 130, the membrane press for the veneering of shaped profiles and naval furnishings and for the curving of plywood used in the furniture industry. Worktop depth means several profiles can be veneered at the same time, or large-sized pieces covered. The machine can bend plywood up to a range of 40 to 50 centimeters, depending on the type of membrane used. Before starting the work cycle, the machine goes through a warming cycle as it has to reach a temperature of 130 degrees Celsius based on type of work required. In the example shown, plywood sheets are being prepared and glued together to create a large curved item. We will be using plywood sheets of which two have already been veneered on one side. The operator does the gluing operation to get a sheet sandwich with both sides veneered. The operator blocks the sheets with paper tape. He then places the plywood sheets on top of the template. It is advisable to place a piece of nylon between wood and membrane to allow the membrane itself to be extended during pressing and avoid the plywood panels moving during vacuum. The operator closes the membrane, then launches the vacuum stage by pressing the solenoid valve button. Before starting the heating cycle, the operator checks positioning of material under the membrane. The operator rotates the work panel 180 degrees, and after blocking it in a horizontal position, using the safety knob on the maneuvering lever, starts the heating cycle. Model 130 Duplex has two worktops, which means new material can be loaded on the second top available, while the first one is doing the drying cycle on the level below. This other example shows the veneering of an oval tabletop. We will use wood veneering and a shaped oval top, so we'll then proceed with veneering the shaped edge. When the gluing stage is over, the piece is turned over and laid on the top, and the vacuum cycle starts. Once the vacuum cycle has started, The operator checks piece position under the membrane, correcting any movements and checking that veneering has adhered correctly. He then rotates the top 180 degrees and starts drying. At the same time, the curved piece drying on the lower level will be in the starting position. The operator opens the vacuum valve and releases the safety lever, then opens the membrane frame and removes the finished pieces to move them on to the next operation. Besides the above examples, you can get many different profile types, shaped or curved pieces, using any essence and no special equipment.